Hi friends, let me show you this new bold look of Kohler kitchen sink utility rack that I bought because we have this Kohler deep sink and we want to have all the utensils to wash our dishes available. So this is a great rack. It's adjustable to different lengths of sinks and it will allow you to have your sponge or your utensils ready to use them. Okay, this is intended for the soap. Let me show you. So you can adjust it to different lengths of sinks, like this one. Okay, that's perfect. And this soap dispenser goes here. Okay, let me show you. So now you have the soap here and you are ready to use it. When you need to clean a dish, you just get some soap here and clean your dishes. When you are done, you can put here the sponge or whatever and you're ready. You can even put here a simple dish or a vase or whatever to dry, okay? And you can move it around your sink wherever you need it, okay? So if you have a sink, it doesn't have to be Kohler. The rack will adapt to any kind of sink and it will be able to grow in depth to different sizes, okay? Perfect, thank you.